There you go, we're on your third and final. 2.4 lead. And here she goes. Looking good. Third and final, turn it back. Listen to this. Fastest time of the weekend with a 16.250. Yeah! Natalie Fouch ready to go here. And here she comes. Gotta be under a 17.452 to take the lead in the average. Here she comes. Turns in a 16.509. Leading the average right now.